Okay, this video is the link to a lecture over at VegSource from just a couple days ago about whether or not the amalgam mercury inside of those amalgams, or 50% mercury, causes brain damage, and especially with detail regarding does it cause multiple sclerosis. The mechanism whereby it could cause multiple sclerosis is the same as how it could cause brain damage. And the relevance, why does it come up? Because there was a study done by Hal Huggins where they did spinal taps on these patients, and they found that they had these abnormal proteins in their CSF, cerebral spinal fluid, at spinal tap, lumbar puncture. And when they took out the amalgams, the proteins went away. So it doesn't happen in everybody. And a lot of people tolerate their amalgams quite well, but some don't. And if you're looking for reasons to try to explain why somebody's unexplained multiple sclerosis or cognitive decline, this is something to consider. So the video goes through all of that sort of stuff. I hope you find it helpful. I'll have the link in the description below.